we're putting that in. Not yet though. We gotta put that back because we already pulled that out. 24 Ford Escape. I'm gonna show you how to do the cabin filter. And like magic, push this guy in over here. Here's my finger. Hello. My finger. Hello. Now, it's doing you a favor and holding it in place for you. Yeah, pop this guy out. There you go. And everything goes on the floor. Whee! And there's your filter somewhere. You gotta get screws? You gotta be kidding me. Ford, why, dude? Why? Do you need screws? Yes, you do. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, screws. Who wants to unscrew anything nowadays? Let's go get our screw gun and show you how to take this thing out. So even after the screws, and I know the next person's gonna put this back in, they ain't putting those screws back in. They're probably gonna end up losing them because they still snap into place. Look, they still snap into place even after the screws are taken out. Why? 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 But it's Ford, so let's pull this guy out of the way, pull this guy out of the way, pull this guy down, and here's your big, huge, gigantic filter. At least it's not plastic like Kia and whoever else. It's just a piece of cloth. This thing's pretty big, dude. Wow, it's pretty big. So there you have it, airflow obviously down because the arrow tells you airflow down. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.